Hello, Darin Martineau with Master Magic University. In this video, I'm going to perform what's called the Invisible Boomerang. This is an effect originally created by Leech called the Pseudo Boomerang. I've made some slight changes to it, and I call it the Invisible Boomerang. So let's say we have two cards selected, right? Let's say that the two cards happen to be the Two of Clubs and the Seven of Diamonds. Place the Two of Clubs back into the pack, and we give the cards a little shuffle like this. Have them say stop whenever they like. Say they said stop right here. They're going to put their card back, and we're going to shuffle those into the pack, mixing up the deck. And always put your trust in the Lord, but always cut the cards. Now, we're going to take the Ace of Spades, which is the boomerang. You've seen magicians throw it in the air, just like a boomerang. It comes back. We're going to take the Ace of Spades, and we're going to place it X marks the spot, right here. Okay. We're just going to blow on it, change it invisible, toss it in the air. It's going to fly through the air like a helicopter, and we're going to catch it right in the deck with one hand like that. It's beautiful. Look at that, right in the middle of the pack, surrounded by two cards. And what were the cards? There you have it. So that is what I call the invisible boomerang, and it's a really cute little effect to put into your repertoire. So if you like, please smash the like button. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, please. And subscribe to the Master Magic University newsletter, where I will send you free magic video tutorials and my latest updates of what's going on. You get lots of free magic. There's also my Master Magic course that you get, so you get a lot more. That's for free, just by joining the Master Magic University newsletter. If you'd like to join our flagship programs, click on the link and see them. The Master Magic Mentors is only $5.99, and you get access to hundreds of video tutorials. Thank you very much, and keep it surreal.